Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Abigail Carmelim bringing to you the news and events in Meghalaya. Here are the headlines for today. Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma and Assembly Speaker Metba Lingdaw invite Prime Minister Narendra Modi for the Golden Jubilee celebration of Meghalaya's full statehood. Sankardev College, Shillong inaugurates the year-long Diamond Jubilee celebration. Major accident on the Peninsula-Shillong Highway just short of Lightlingkot, and Nyautrep Youth Council detects anomalies made by KHADC in recognizing surname through tongue jibe. Another news in detail. Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma and Speaker of Meghalaya Legislative Assembly Metba Lingdaw yesterday met the Prime Minister Narendra Modi in New Delhi and requested him to be the chief guest of the Golden Jubilee celebration of Meghalaya's full statehood. During the short interaction, Conrad K. Sangma and Metba Lingdaw informed the Prime Minister that Meghalaya will celebrate its Golden Jubilee celebration on the 21st of January 2022 and all the preparations are in full swing. The Chief Minister and Speaker also told the Prime Minister about the ongoing construction of the new Meghalaya Legislative Assembly building at Maudyangdyang in New Shillong Township and sought his support in this regard. Today, the Sankardev College, Shillong inaugurated the year-long Diamond Jubilee celebration. Present at the inaugural function were Sri Sanbor Shalai as the chief guest and D.P. Walang, additional secretary, as the guest of honor, along with Dr. E. F. P. Lingdaw, principal, Dr. Reena Singh, vice principal, professors and the students of the college. Speaking at the program, Sri D.P. Walang said that the teachers should regularly interact with the students, particularly when they are finding a hard time to study due to the COVID-19 pandemic.
Have a good mentoring system. They will get in touch with students and mentor them and guide them and counsel them. And mentoring, the second aspect of mentoring is if you have a mentoring institution that is a tie-up with Sankardev College. Many colleges in India now have tie-ups with colleges from Europe, colleges from America, that is the US, and colleges from Singapore, Hong Kong. They are all very reputed institutions, and if you have a tie-up with these institutions, you will get a lot of benefits in terms of expertise, domain expertise especially. For example, now I can see that you have done a lot of work in skill education here. If you have a tie-up with an institution like Temasek in Singapore, and I'm quite sure they'll be open to it. Temasek Singapore, they can have a tie-up with you and they'll give you guidance on skill development and skill education. It will enhance your capability, and at the same time, when it comes to NAC, you'll get a very, very good score also on that. So mentoring is one thing that we should adopt and take up. And second is research and innovation. You know, when it comes to RUSA funding, we are very quick in spending the infrastructure grants. We are also quite capable and we have spent the equity initiatives that we have sanctioned. But when it comes to research and innovations,
the bright blessed day and the dark sacred night, and I think to myself, what a wonderful world. The colors of the rainbow, so pretty in the skies, are also on the faces of people going by. I see friends shaking hands, saying, how do you do? They really sing, I love you. I hear babies cry, I watch them grow,
A dumper hit a Maruti Swift which was hanging by a thread from falling into a sheer precipice. The driver and front seat passenger were not badly hurt, but the passengers in the back seat suffered injuries and have been taken to the hospital. The dumper belongs to NHIDCL. Hundreds of vehicles were stranded on the highway on account of this accident. Major earth cutting work is going on for the Shillong-Dawki highway. The Nyautre Pure Council today said the organization has found out through RTI the irregularity made by the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council in recognizing the new surname of Kharshari through Katangjait on 2 occasions. The HYC said the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council had recognized the Kharshari as the new surname in 2017 and also in 2020. Speaking to the media, the HYC leader Purning Star Shabong said that he met the chief executive member of KHADC and informed him about the carelessness of the staff to register twice the same surname and urged him to rectify the matter.
Ka nakliang iwan hang ne nakliang ka Nyautre Pure Council yang circle ka jingwan jongi hang nem tasngi ka dei halor ka tangjat. Habai dei bat ka jing lap jongi leng ba ki RTI ba kidon ki beriu ki batang dah kaju kajat kanuksa kum Kharshari hakaba kine ki beriu ki tang kaya tengku ka Kharshari batang po lawalum pering katang ho jar khat nyau kawi pat kajat Kharshari ka batang ho jar pheu tekine ki jat ki tengku ba ki tang dah kaju ka kerteng jat bat na kaliang ka susul ka dep ban approve ye ki jat berotli kemut ba dah kaju kerteng jat ki latang ba dah kaju ka kerteng jat ka susul ka dep approve tingilaya kan sani bha ya kane ngilaya thai sani bha lo kane marba kane kan wanra ya ka jing deko ha bai dei ber ka khenkur ka khenka jong ka jat bedru jogi tena kaliang i CM ila kular ba ya kane i ha ban recall ban penbek no ban betha ya kitu ki kur ki ba tang da kaju ka jat bakin penbek no kata ka dei ka jing kular ka ba na kaliang i CM ila kular pat jogi Tesakawai pat kabenta kaba ngia keren kalong ba habai dei hiba katangjat kata kalong ba ka jingyo jat khasi ka kanthai dekhar kaba ya song kurim batu sedang khasi takamut nuksa kum kajat khar heli ha kaba kane ka kanthai kaba dei ka dekhar haba ka ya poi kha batu sedang khasi maka kelayo ya ka jat khasi kemut ba ka violet ya kane ka ak jong kan sosial nah kata kadau i kentu ya ka district lengba u CM ba kum yakine ru ka wanra ya ka jing violet ya ka ak bat hakaju ru ka pot kalong persya ya ka ru kum tangjat ka ba u khasi na ru manswa jule te ya kane ru ka benta na kaliang u CM ula kular ba nang ne sakmat kanam don su ka jing tang lane kam don su kata ka jing ailat ya kini ki kan thai dekhar ki ba song kurim bat u senrang khasi bakin sim ya kajat khasi namar ba kane kan bu ha ka jing ma ka ba khraw ya jat benriu kalong ba USA kila ban pensisa ya ki henmen ki para ki jongki bakin yo ya khasi track bakin yo track ada nagliang rusil ka kamla ban te lakam halor kade ngisngu ba kajat benriu jongi.
So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Till we meet again, thank you for joining us.